Hello everyone and welcome to the Analyst show channel. In this video, we will delve into some fundamental statistic concepts related to distribution. Let's get started without further ado. Understanding distributions. A distribution is a crucial concept in statistics. It essentially describes the pattern of how often different values occur in a dataset. We primarily categorize distribution into two types. Discrete distribution. These distributions are used for random variables that can take an uncountable number of values. Let's see in Google. Okay guys, the first search about discrete distribution example in Google is common example of discrete distribution include the binomial, Poisson and Bernoulli distributions. These distributions often involve statistical analysis of count or how many times and even occur. In finance, discrete distributions are used in option pricing and forecasting market shocks or recessions. And now you can see the second search for discrete distributions. Let's continue. Bernoulli distribution models experiment with two possible outcomes, like coin. PMF, probability mass function, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. The second category for distribution is continuous distributions. These distributions are used for random variables that can take any value within a specific range. Normal distribution, or we call it a Gaussian distribution. Perhaps the most widely used distribution. It models many natural phenomena. You must memorize the PDF formula of normal distribution. Another distribution of category, this continuous category, is uniform distribution. Why is a normal distribution so important? The normal distribution is fundamental to many statistical analysis. It's used in hypothesis testing, confidence interval estimation, and regression analysis. Understanding its properties is essential for data scientists and analysts. You should remember this key point. PMF is used for discrete distribution and PDF is used for continuous distribution. The normal distribution is a cornerstone of statistical analysis. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.